on the thing. I know I have been MIA for 2 weeks. I don't know if this is the first video that I'm gonna post or whatever, but I am back, and I would love if you guys could like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay guys, it's me again, back with another vlog, and as you can see by the title, it is my fitness vlog, back on my fitness journey. So let me give you a little backstory. So pre-COVID, I was consistent in the gym, going every day. Like, no, not every day, but every week, like 3 times a week or 3 to 4 times a week. And I was seeing some gains. And then COVID comes, shut down everything. And then directly after COVID, well, COVID is still going on, but like right now the gyms are open. So, you know, I was kind of skeptical, and I am still skeptical on going to the gym. But I'm like, in my mind, if I am going everywhere, I can go to the gym, just practice my safety, keep my mask on. I'm gonna bring a bottle of Lysol everywhere. People are gonna think I'm crazy, but yes, I'm crazy because I'm scared. It's a really scary process. But I want to get back into the gym, get back to that mental, physical, healthy stage of my life. And so I am going to start that today. And guess who I'm starting it with? The person who said, "Oh, you're not going to see me back here until next year." Yeah. What she did? Okay, that's her. I don't know why she said that, but I'm not cutting it out, so give me that back. Yo, shut up. You only attack me when I can't even defend myself. But anyways, guys, we're starting the gym. It's 9:57. We're gonna go at 2. So I'm gonna get crack-a-lacking, and I'm carrying you guys with me. I hope you guys are excited, because today about to be some light day. It's about to be like, because I just started back, so I'm gonna like take it light a bit. And yeah, and also watch out for my next video. I'm gonna probably do what's in my gym bag, so you guys can see like what I bring to the gym and stuff, you know. So are you excited? Because I am. So, see you guys soon. Okay guys, so the first thing, as soon as you get up and you're about to go to the gym, floss, then you brush your teeth, then use Listerine. That sets you right. Okay, so for the next step or thing, this is a conversation that is kind of, you know, I think it all depends on who you are. Should you bathe before you go to the gym or what? So for me, if it's really, really early in the morning, I have to practice hygiene. So I wipe up, wipe my arm, the areas, wipe up, put on fresh set of roll-on. Gotta call myself off. What she might say, guys. Anyways, guys, so I wipe up, I put on a fresh deodorant under my arm, spray up a little bit, new change of undergarments, and then I get ready. However, like how we're going at 2, I think I can do a little shower before. You just semi stink. Just apologize. Guys, I'm not stink, okay? I don't smell. If somebody say ever smell me, I lie them a tell. I'm gonna tell nobody and we ever say that. Anyways, so it all depends on you and your schedule. If it's late in the night, I suggest I don't know, and you're coming from work, just go straight to the gym. But just make sure say you never green from throughout the day. Because I hate the thing I hate the most is when you go to the gym and you can't smell people. So I try my best not for that not to happen to me. So fresh deodorant, you spray up a little bit, fresh underwear, and you're good. And that's just that and that. So when I'm finished getting ready, today I'm going to shower. When I'm finished getting ready, I'll get back with you. Okay, guys, so I'm making an omelet. I don't have mozzarella cheese, so I'm just using regular cheese. Don't have any greens. I'll get that at the store later, but normally I would do a basic omelet, and that's that. Okay, guys, so I got through to making breakfast for both me and Nash. Hers don't have onions in there. Mine do have onions, sweet pepper. I would have put greens in there, but don't have any greens. And I'm gonna have mine with Starbucks coffee right there. And that's just our meal before the gym. Okay, I know, like, it probably is not all that healthy, but oh well. Eventually you guys will see us like upgrade in the future, and have more of a healthy breakfast. But this is some sort of healthy, a protein and a fat and vegetable and something. It's kind of healthy, sort of. But yeah. All right, guys. So it's now 1:59. This is my fit for the day. And we basically were idling after. I did not go straight and get ready. I went and made breakfast, as you can see, and then afterwards we were just chilling and everything. We just finished getting ready. So that's that, and now we're heading out to the gym, and I'm super excited because I haven't been there in a while, and I'm gonna be there with Nashiva, so it's really exciting. Yeah, it's really exciting. So see you guys later. Okay, guys, so as you can see, we're entering the gym, and then we sign in and they check our temperatures. And after they check our temperatures and we're signed in, I love to start by stretching and then with cardio. My go-to cardio would be going on the treadmill. So first I'll start with like a light walk, and then I eventually graduate to a run. And I do this until I have completed an entire mile. Okay, guys, so after completing my cardio, I get now into the workout aspect of it all. And here I am doing bicep curls, which will be a part of my full body light workout for the day. So after we have completed the bicep curls, we moved on to doing some exercises to, attack the glutes.
Don't drop it. You said if you not drop it, you're supposed to feel like your heart wants to drop out. That's how I felt. Right there is good. Yes, ma'am.
Guys, we're doing a full body workout. Look at Nash. Say hi. She's dying, but the legs are coming back. What do you think? What do you think? Guys, it is so hard working out with a mask. You feel like all the bad air is going back in. But gotta get it. Gotta get it. Gotta get it. One more workout and then we're done. Oh, you want to go full? One more. Oh, you want to go more? You're in beast mode. You're in beast mode? You're in beast mode? No? You can do it. Tell her, guys, she can do it. No worries. We'll get through this together. Or how is the workout going? She's dying, guys. So am I. But the show must go on. Yes, let me tell you. Because you start workout before me, but because I just come back, I not feel the pain. I said tomorrow now. Tomorrow now, when I get back here, guys, I'm gonna die. Same. My body was getting there. Corona. But like, guys, nobody is out there. Literally nobody. Look. Nobody's here. So, it must go on. But let's get it in. I feel motivated with her with me. I don't know if I can do this when you go home next week.
Yeah, we're going to video call.
I'm gonna be so nervous. Like, I like having her here. I feel more confident with her by my side. When it's me alone, I would feel not so confident, but we'll get it in the same way because we're all about the reaping the success, putting in the work and reaping the success. Hope you guys can hear me with this last thing. But
it's a 21 days to life.
Yeah, that's what we're working on. But we'll give you guys updates. See you soon. So here we proceeded to doing more leg and glute combination exercises, and at this point I was dying. Then for the final step, after every exercise you have to stretch it all out. So that's what we did. Anyways, guys, let me tell you about my day and everything. It was an awesome day. The workout was very productive, as you guys can see. I hope you can see that. But it was very productive, and like coming home, I realized that I'm in a better mind space and everything. Workout is not only to do with the physical features, but it also helps you mentally, and mentally I feel like things are clear and everything, and like I'm excited for what tomorrow brings. And I guess working out with my best friend, it was also very exciting. So I would recommend or advise anyone, even if it's to take a nice walk out, something different that you haven't done, or something that you have done but you haven't done in a while, just take a little walk and welcome nature along. All that changes, like, it will help you. So that's just that on that. Do you have anything to say, Nashima? No? Okay, she's tired, pardon her. But right now, I'm gonna eat some food, and yeah, that's just about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I hope you guys have a blessed and prosperous day or week, and stay safe, wear your mask, sanitize, wash your hands, and all the works. And I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye. Forgot to tell you, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next weekend in my other video. Bye.